Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to put the head on a Kohler K series motor. Make sure your gasket surface is clean. Make sure the head is clean. Have the head resurfaced or resurface it yourself. I have another video showing how to do that. But you want to make sure the head is good and flat. And you want to make sure that the surface area you're going to be putting the gasket on is nice and clean. Some heads just have bolts, some have bolts and studs. This one has one stud, and I went ahead and installed it. Go ahead and install that and make sure that the bolt, or make sure the stud is good and tight so that it doesn't work its way out once everything's tightened down. Put your gasket on, put your resurfaced head on, and you can buy new bolts if you want to reuse your old bolts. That's generally fine as long as they're in decent shape, but you need to at least run the wire wheel on the thread just to clean them up a bit so that everything goes together nice. When I'm putting the bolts in, I like to put just a dab of oil on the threads. Nothing crazy, just something to make sure that it's going to torque down nice without having any tight spots. And you want to make sure you put the gasket on this dry. Do not use any copper gasket spray or any other sealant on it. Now I'm just going to use this electric impact just to run the bolts down in. I'm not going to get crazy. The torque spec on this is 25 to 30 foot-pounds, so I'll go ahead and torque it to 25, and then I'll go around and torque it to 30. And you want to make sure, you'll have to look it up, but you'll want to make sure you use the diagram that shows you what bolts to tighten in what order. Go around, snug them up once, and then you can go the whole way to 25. Once they're all set to 25, I'll go ahead and adjust the wrench and go to 30. And once I have them at 30, I'll just go over them again, just to double check. And there it is, it's all torqued down. Now, when you get the engine back in the tractor, you'll want to start it, let it run till the engine is good and warm, and then shut it off, let it cool down, and retorque the bolts to 30 using the same pattern that was used the first time. There you go. Thanks for watching.